Hey guys, it's Chris here, and today we're going to be reviewing this mount for your Google Home Mini. Now, I want to thank Bueno for sending this out for review. The link will be in the description below, and this is one of the best accessories you can get, and it's pretty affordable at $7.99. It comes in two different colors, white or black. Here are 5 reasons why this thing's pretty awesome. It's pretty simple, does its job. Let's get started. So Google Home Mini comes in white, black, or coral. This one I got a white, and it looks pretty awesome on top of it. It pops right in, and it looks just like that with the cable wrapping right behind it. So reason number 1, compact. Reason number 2, really well built out and thought out. The design is awesome. Reason number 3, it actually does a better job for the Google Home Mini listening to your voice. And reason number 4, it's not that expensive. Reason number 5, it comes in multiple colors and it's well built. The way it's designed is well done, and the way you use it is pretty good. You put your Google Home Mini right inside here, it pops right in, you take the power cable, and it pops over here, and it wraps around the back of this unit. So everything is just so compact, and it goes right on top of the power outlet in your home, office, bathroom, wherever you put it. Aside from that, the plastic is really good quality, it's sturdy, and definitely not the type of cheap plastic. The price online is $7.99, and I think that's pretty affordable. Compactness, you can see that it's no longer on my desk, taking up space, and now it just goes on my wall where the power outlet is, and it's pretty convenient, it's away from sight, and it does a pretty good job at listening, just because it's against a wall, so it only has one dimension to listen from. Or it just kills one more dimension, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so overall, I give this product a price to value ratio of 9 out of 10 for 3 main reasons. It's built really well, it's a great design, and it's really good for actually the product itself. The Google Home Mini, when it's up against the wall, it hears your voice really well because all sound goes against to the wall. And so in the end, it'll always hit the wall and you'll definitely hear you. It really depends on what kind of room you're in, but in my situation, I have a box room, but you can also try it in the kitchen. It works really, it does its job. So built really well, good quality, and it's really good at listening for your voice. That does it for this full review. If you want to check out the product, I think it's really good price to value ratio. It's in the description below, and I want to thank Bueno for sending this out for review. I'll see you guys in the next video. Follow me on Instagram for what's going on around my life, Twitter for stuff that's happening in the news like crypto. Check out Check Vibe Sound. And also Snapchat for some random shits and giggles. Subscribe for future content and like the video if you liked it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.